Okay, quick video here about rearranging formulae to change the subject. Currently, A is the subject of this formula because it's all by itself on the left-hand side of the equal sign. It doesn't actually matter which side of the equal sign the subject is, but it's the one that's by itself. Okay, what we want to do, the question here says make B the subject of the formula. So B is here. So what I need to do is to get rid of everything else around B. That's this negative C and this 3. And the way I'm going to do that is to do the opposite to what those things are saying. So here, because that says minus C, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a C to both sides. So what that will give me on the left-hand side is A plus C equals 3B. Okay, now what I need to do is to get rid of this 3. Now 3B means 3 times B. So what I'm going to do is the opposite to 3 times B, which is divide by 3. So that's what I'm going to do here, divide both sides by 3. Now the easiest way to do that on the left-hand side is to put A plus C, which we've already got, divided by 3, and that will leave us with just B on this side. Okay, so that's how to rearrange that one. This next slide here says make D the subject of the formula. Okay, as we can see currently F is the subject because that's the one by itself, so I've got to make D the subject by itself. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of this plus 4. And if you remember from last time what we did, when that says plus 4, I'm going to do the opposite to that. So I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. So that will leave me with just 3D on this side of the equal sign. And on this side, I will have F minus 4 because I've taken 4 away. Okay, now what I need to do is to get rid of the 3. And if you remember from the last slide, 3D means 3 times D. So the opposite of times is divide, so I'm going to divide by 3 this time. So I'm going to divide by 3. That will leave D by itself, so D equals, well, we've got F minus 4 from before, and if I'm going to divide that by 3, then the easiest way for me to do that is just put a divide by 3 there. Okay? Okay, I hope that was useful. What I've done here is I've put together some of that information in written form, also with some questions down the right hand side that you can have a go at. So if you pause the video, you'll be able to look at this slide and try some of those. Okay, good luck.